Put your eyes and cross your teeth. Put your eyes and cross your teeth. Close your eyes and cross your teeth.
Always.
Ever stared at a blank page? Been there, done that, fear not. Today, we are discovering 7 resources that will help you write your first page. Let's get started. Let's face it, sometimes we all need a writing sensei. Online courses like how to write your first novel can be your ultimate training ground. So this course from Coursera and many other courses like this helped me write my first sentence. Ernest Hemingway said, the first sentence sets the scene for the entire novel. Think of it as a writing boot camp and get those creative juices flowing.
How's the Josh? Hi, sir! How's the Josh? Hi, sir!
Really?
Okay, hear me out. Reading the opening pages of your favorite books is like spying on writing masters in action. See how they hook you, introduce characters, and set the scenes. You don't start writing good stuff. You start out writing crap and learning from it. Don't copy, but dissect. Learn from the best and sprinkle their magic on your own story.
I love magic.
Wait, what? Ghazal? Calligraphy? Hold on to your columns. So when I decided to start writing, for some reason I resorted to these 2 places. I enrolled myself for Urdu calligraphy and Ghazal appreciation. Even though they are not directly connected, they have provided me a lot of inspiration and a lot of ideas. It helped me get my creative juices flowing. For example, Ghazal is a type of emotional poetry that can teach you how to craft in a vivid language and set mood for your story. Every good story is a conflict of emotions. Think of it as it's adding literary spice to your first page. It helped me, it can help you. So I'm not saying go ahead and sign up for Urdu class or Ghazal poetry or calligraphy. I'm saying sometimes the ideas or the inspiration may come from unexpected resources. Why not try it out?
There! I see it!
And the 4th one is YouTube, your free writing guru. You do want to write a book, and that has brought you here, right? The internet is overflowing with writing wisdom. You'll definitely find some pearls. You just have to search the right string. Find out YouTubers who are specialized in certain things. They dish out practical tips, analyze killer openings, even host writing challenges. There are a number of writing challenges that might help you, motivate you, and get you write your first page. It's not necessarily be about writing, but a general tip about productivity or how to get into a routine can be a life-changing, game-changing thing for you. There is no single right way to write a novel, but there are endless ways to go wrong. Learn from the success and failures from others.
साला ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे.
पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. Writer's block got you feeling like lone wolf, lost in a desert of ideas? Fear not. Grab a friend, a fellow wordsmith, anyone who loves stories, and brainstorm together. Bounce ideas off each other, explore different directions for your first page. Ideas are dime a dozen. Problems are bold.
He was that friend!
Depending on your story's setting or genre, research can be a secret weapon. There is a general myth that people think only for non-fiction you need to do research. That's not true. Even for fiction, you have to get your facts right. If you're basing a story in a fantasy land somewhere far, far away, you need to be aware of what are the technological advances that are going on. You need to have some basic idea of some basic concepts, and that involves research. So doesn't matter whether you are writing a fiction or a non-fiction, research is going to be your true friend.
6.5 hours later.
So grab your detective hat.
So grab your detective hat and become an expert of your story world.
The name's Sherlock Holmes and the address is 221B Baker Street.
The most powerful stories often tap into real life experiences. I've said the same in my last video, you must have already watched. Have you faced a fear, experienced a moment of pure joy? Draw on those moments to create the emotions that resonates with your readers. Your life lessons can be the fuel that ignites a truly unforgettable first page. There you have it. These 7 resources are your weapons to slay the blank page and craft a first page that will leave readers begging for more. Now go out there and write. Remember, a story is a way we tell ourselves who we are. You have watched till here, so don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and share this video with your fellow struggling writers. And write down in the comment below on which topic you want me to make more videos, and also tell me that first line or the first page that hooked you in a story. We'll be back next week, same time, same place, talking about 7 things that you must not do. Until next time, keep writing, keep dreaming, and keep conquering those first pages. Peace. जगह नहीं है भाऊ, जगह नहीं है.